brings you.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Okay, you be a good little boy, then Santa will see you on Christmas Eve.
You know.
Okay, bye-bye. Gotta go tend to the elves. Would you like to meet the elves?
Yeah.
You can't. You have to come all the way to the North Pole.
Why?
Because that's where the elves are. They're up there making your toys.
See my ball?
Yeah, they're making your ball, too.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Okay, you be a good boy. Santa's got to call other little boys now, okay?
Okay.
Okay, bye-bye.